What if I told you that one of the most legendary diesel engines of all time is making a roaring comeback in 2026? Yes, the Cat 3406B. A name that truckers across America still whisper with respect, a powerhouse that built its reputation on reliability, torque, and sheer endurance. And now, it's being reborn. But here's the big question: can a decades-old legend stand strong in today's world of advanced semi-trucks, cleaner emissions, and tighter regulations? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why the 3406B is turning heads all over again, and why 2026 might be the year diesel history changes forever. Act 2, the deep dive, conflict and rising action. Let's rewind for a moment. The Cat 3406B first appeared in the 1980s, and it quickly became a fan favorite among American truckers. Why? Because it was simple, it was tough, and it was nearly impossible to kill. This engine could take the punishment of cross-country hauls, heavy loads, and long nights on the road, and still keep going. You know that saying, they don't build them like they used to. Well, truckers used to joke that the 3406B wasn't built, it was forged by diesel gods somewhere deep inside a volcano. Now, fast forward to 2026. Caterpillar has revisited this classic design with a modern twist. The new 3406B isn't just nostalgia, it's innovation wrapped in history. It packs increased horsepower, cleaner emissions compliance, and digital optimization without losing the mechanical feel that made the original so beloved. Transition with cliffhanger, but here's where it gets interesting. How does the reborn Cat 3406B stack up against the big players dominating today's highways, like Cummins X-Series or Detroit's DD16? Let's dig into that battle. Narrator: today's trucking industry is demanding more than ever: fuel efficiency, low emissions, and advanced electronic systems. While many modern engines lean heavily on digital controls, the new 3406B finds a sweet spot. It keeps enough mechanical grit for truckers who hate overcomplicated computers, but it's smart enough to compete in the 2026 marketplace. Think of it this way: if modern engines are like smartphones, the Cat 3406B is the tough flip phone that refuses to break, except now, Caterpillar stuck 5G inside it. Narrator: early reports suggest the 2026 Cat 3406B can deliver up to 625 horsepower with massive low-end torque, exactly what truckers pulling heavy loads crave. Combine that with Caterpillar's legendary durability, and you've got an engine designed not just for the next few years, but for the next few million miles. Transition cliffhanger, but here's the real kicker: while Kenworth, Peterbilt, and Freightliner drivers are drooling over it, there's one big catch. And it might decide whether the 3406B becomes a trucking staple again, or fades into diesel folklore forever. The catch: regulations. As we move deeper into the 2020s, the Environmental Protection Agency is tightening its grip. Even the toughest engines need to meet strict emissions standards. Caterpillar claims the new 3406B passes the 2026 benchmarks with flying colors, thanks to advanced after-treatment systems and fuel efficiency tuning. But here's where the urgency kicks in: truckers across the US know that these engines won't be around forever. Diesel is facing a future where electrics and hybrids are creeping in. So, the 3406B of 2026 might be the last great hurrah of pure diesel muscle before the industry shifts for good. So, if you've ever thought about owning a piece of history that also doubles as a beast of the future, this might be your shot. Because let's be honest, nobody brags about their electric truck engine at the diner. Narrator: building momentum toward climax, the Cat 3406B isn't just an engine. It's a bridge between what trucking used to be and where it's going. It's mechanical reliability fused with modern efficiency. It's a statement that diesel still has plenty of fight left in it. Final cliffhanger and call to action. Narrator: intense tone. So, the only question left is, will the 3406B 2026 version dominate America's highways once again? Or will it be remembered as the last roar of a giant? That's something time, and truckers like you, will decide. Narrator: call to action. If you're as fired up about this as I am, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into diesel power, and share this video with a fellow trucker who still believes in real engines. Because the road ahead is just getting started.